Now let's look at these specimens, the tilapia fish and the earthworm. The fish, the earthworm. Talking about the drawing of a specimen, you must put your correct title, you must label neatly, and you must also show your magnification. And what do we mean by magnification? The size of drawing over the size of specimen. So look at this specimen also. Transverse section of an orange. It means you cut horizontally. You cut what? Horizontally. And when we talk about vertical section, you cut vertically. You cut what? Vertically. And the guideline to biological drawing, correct title, size of drawing, clarity of lines, magnification, and neat labeling. When we talk about size of drawing, when the examiner says your drawing must be size 8 cm to 10 cm, it means your drawing must not be less than 8 cm and must not be longer than 10 cm. All these things you need to adhere to. So the details of drawing, the examiner check for some functionally placed structure. For example, for the fish, look at the scales. The scales touching each other and facing backward, showing the lateral lines. These are functional structures. These are functional parts that you must label. The operculum, showing all this. The fins, showing the dorsal fin, showing the caudal fin. So now, and the lines must touch the structure and the spelling must be correct. The lines must touch the structure and the spelling must be correct. Let me explain what I'm saying. Let me point it out to you now. Take for instance, this is the seed. I must not take my line to epicap and say I'm labeling the seed. That means it is wrong. So if you are labeling the seed, let the line touch the structure that you are labeling, just like this. If you are labeling the succulent ear, let your line touch it, then you move it out and label. That is it. Okay, thank you. Now, let's move on. Modification, like I said earlier, is the size of drawing over size of specimen, and it must be written like this: m is equal to times 1 or times 2 or times 3, etc. Or mixed fractions like half, 1/2, or 1